Have you been thinking about buying the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale? Whether you're counting calories, meal prepping, baking, or tracking macros, a good kitchen scale can make a huge difference. But is the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale worth buying? Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the best-selling kitchen scales to find out. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is its compact design. The Etekcity scale is slim, lightweight, and doesn't take up much counter space. It easily fits inside a kitchen drawer when you're not using it, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or apartments. Now, let's talk about accuracy. This is one of the biggest reasons people buy this scale. The Etekcity scale measures food in precise increments, helping you portion meals accurately. Whether you're weighing chicken, rice, vegetables, flour, or coffee beans, it provides reliable measurements for everyday cooking and baking. Next are the measurement units. The scale can switch between several units, including grams, ounces, pounds and ounces, milliliters, and fluid ounces. That flexibility makes it useful for both recipes and nutrition tracking. If a recipe calls for grams, but another uses ounces, switching between units takes just the press of a button. Now, let's discuss the display. The large digital LCD screen is easy to read, even when you're using larger bowls or containers. The buttons are simple and responsive, making the scale easy to use even if you've never owned one before. One of the most useful features is the tare function. Here's how it works. Place an empty bowl on the scale and press the tare button. The display resets to 0. Now you can add your ingredients directly into the bowl while measuring only the food, not the bowl itself. This saves time and reduces cleanup. Let's talk about weight capacity. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale can weigh up to 11 pounds, or about 5 kilograms, which is more than enough for most home cooking and baking tasks. Whether you're portioning meat or weighing ingredients for bread, it handles everyday jobs with ease. Now let's discuss power. The scale runs on batteries and automatically shuts off after a short period of inactivity. This helps extend battery life, meaning you won't have to replace them very often. Of course, no product is perfect. Because the weighing platform is compact, very large bowls may partially cover the display. And while it's excellent for home use, it's not designed for heavy commercial kitchens. Still, for the average home cook, these are minor drawbacks. So who is this scale best for? It's an excellent choice for anyone trying to lose weight, count calories, follow recipes more accurately, bake consistently, prep meals, or simply improve portion control. So is the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale worth buying? For many people, the answer is yes. It's accurate, easy to use, compact, affordable, and packed with useful features like multiple measurement units and the convenient tare function. If you're looking for a reliable digital kitchen scale without spending a lot of money, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is definitely worth considering. And that's our review of the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale.